Dear students, today we will practice multiple choice questions with brief explanations on the topic Concept and Theories of Personality. This includes concepts, structure, factors, assessment, Freud's theory, Allport's theory, and type theory. Please watch the entire video as it provides concise explanations for the answers. Let's begin. Question 1. The term persona, from which personality is derived, originally referred to a hidden part of the unconscious mind. B. A role played by an individual in social settings. C. A genetic predisposition towards certain behaviors. D. A moral standard in human behavior. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer B. A role played by an individual in social settings. Explanation: Persona was the mask used by actors in Greek theatre, symbolizing external roles. 2. The Eden Freud's theory operates on the A. Reality principle, B. Pleasure principle, C. Moral principle, D. Cognitive principle. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Pleasure principle. Explanation: The ID seeks immediate gratification of desires without considering reality or morality. 3. The superego represents the biological drives of an individual. B. The rational decision-making component. C. The moral and ethical standards internalized from society. D. The social learning aspect of personality. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. The moral and ethical standards internalized from society. Explanation: The superego acts as the conscience and contains societal values. 4. The interactionist perspective in personality psychology suggests that personality is shaped by A. Genetic inheritance alone, B. Environmental factors exclusively, C. An interaction between genetic and environmental influences, D. Cultural determinants only. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. An interaction between genetic and environmental influences. Explanation: Both nature, genes, and nurture, environment, contribute to personality development. 5. The thematic apperception test, TAT, is based on which approach? A. Self-report, B. Psychometric, C. Projective, D. Behavioral. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. Projective. Explanation: The TAT presents ambiguous images to reveal unconscious motives and conflicts. 6. Which personality test is primarily used to assess the Big Five personality traits? A. Rorschach-Inkblot test, B. Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, MMPI, C. Neo Personality Inventory, D. Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. Neo Personality Inventory. Explanation: The NEOPI measures openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. 7. According to Freud, defense mechanisms operate at which level of consciousness? A. Conscious, B. Preconscious. C. Unconscious. D. Superconscious. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. C. Unconscious. Explanation. Defense mechanisms function unconsciously to reduce anxiety. 8. According to Allport, cardinal traits are A. Traits shared by all individuals. B. Traits that influence a person's overall behavior. C. Temporary traits that change in different contexts. D. Traits that develop in adolescence. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. B. Traits that influence a person's overall behavior. Explanation. Cardinal traits are dominant and define a person's identity. 9. Sheldon's somatotype theory classifies individuals into how many body types? A2, B3, C4, D5. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. B3. Explanation. Sheldon proposed ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph body types. 10. Which personality factor is most associated with academic achievement? A. Neuroticism. B. Agreeableness. C. Conscientiousness. D. Openness. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. C. Conscientiousness. Explanation. Conscientious individuals tend to be disciplined, organized, and achievement-oriented. 11. Which of the following best explains Freud's concept of cathexis? A. The unconscious repression of thoughts. B. The investment of psychic energy in a particular idea, person, or object. C. The process of self-actualization. D. The transition from the unconscious to the conscious mind. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. B. The investment of psychic energy in a particular idea, person, or object. Explanation. Cathexis is the emotional energy attached to objects or people, often seen in fixation. 12. Freud's concept of thanatos is associated with A. The desire for creativity and innovation. B. The instinct for self-preservation. C. The death instinct, including aggression and destruction. D. The drive for social approval. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. C. The death instinct, including aggression and destruction. Explanation. Thanatos represents the unconscious drive towards self-destruction and aggression. 13. The Oedipus complex is a phenomenon observed in which psychosexual stage? A. Oral stage. B. Anal stage. C. Phallic stage. D. Latency stage. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer. C. Phallic stage. Explanation. The Oedipus complex occurs during the phallic stage when a child unconsciously desires the opposite sex parent. 14. According to Allport, secondary traits differ from central traits because they A. Are more fundamental in shaping personality. B. Are less consistent and appear in specific situations. C. Define the moral and ethical aspects of personality. D. Remain stable across an individual's lifetime. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Are less consistent and appear in specific situations. Explanation: secondary traits are situational and do not strongly define overall personality. 15. Which of the following personality types is most associated with high stress and competitiveness? A. Type A, B, Type B, C, Type C, D, Type D. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer A. Type A. Explanation: Type A personalities are characterized by ambition, urgency, and competitiveness, often leading to stress. 16. Which method is not commonly used in projective personality assessment? A. Sentence completion test. B. Droy-Person test. C. Big Five inventory. D. Word association test. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. Big Five inventory. Explanation: the Big Five inventory is a self-report measure, not a projective technique. 17. According to Freud, which defense mechanism involves channeling unacceptable impulses into socially acceptable behaviors? A. Repression. B. Sublimation. C. Regression. D. Reaction formation. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Sublimation. Explanation: sublimation allows individuals to express impulses in socially acceptable ways, such as using aggression in sports rather than violence. 18. Freud's theory suggests that moral anxiety arises when the ID dominates the superego. B. The superego conflicts with the ego due to ethical concerns. C. A person experiences excessive defense mechanisms. D. The unconscious mind takes control over behavior. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. The superego conflicts with the ego due to ethical concerns. Explanation: moral anxiety occurs when the superego imposes excessive guilt due to internalized moral standards. 19. Which of the following is not a characteristic of cardinal traits in Allport's theory? A. They dominate an individual's personality. B. They are rare and found in very few individuals. C. They are situational and temporary. D. They influence almost all behaviors of a person. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. They are situational and temporary. Explanation: cardinal traits are long-lasting and fundamental aspects of personality, unlike situational traits. 20. Allport's concept of functional autonomy suggests that A. Past motivations always control present behavior. B. Behaviors initially driven by external rewards can become intrinsically motivated over time. C. Personality traits are biologically determined and unchangeable. D. Personality is entirely shaped by early childhood experiences. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Behaviors initially driven by external rewards can become intrinsically motivated over time. Explanation: functional autonomy explains why individuals continue behaviors even when the original motivation, example reward, is no longer present. Thank you. Stay updated. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel. education and teacher education for insightful content and valuable resources.